how can you turn a picture to motion through Capcut on your iPhone? Let me show you all of the options that we have available. If this is your first time here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, there are more ways, as I said. You can just get started with a new project and choose the photos to be imported, right? You can select a picture as such. It's going to appear, static. Nothing really is going to happen. But in order to add some movement, you can select the beginning of the clip, tap on the keyframe, then move a bit further and perform some changes to the position, like you can zoom it in or move it somewhere else, and then the picture suddenly has movement, right? So that's how you can add some effects sort of, or motion into it, which isn't anything like drastic. Depends on how you set it up, but that's the best way and the quickest one you can use. So this is what I would do. You can of course also change the curve, so it also just goes in a different speeds, and yeah, that's like the easiest way to make it work. Outside of that, you can also utilize the templates, because below, in the tab bar, we also have the button for templates, and there you can just select a template which you want to add and then use it, and you basically just import the photos instead of the videos into it. And it depends very much on the template that you wanted to go with, but this also adds like very nice effects to your clips, to your pictures, and it can turn it into a nice video project. So I really hope that I can help you out with it. In case of any further questions, let me know about those below in the comments. For now, that's gonna be about it, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.